Nature is truly amazing, isn't it? Let's explore the beauty and importance of nature. Did you know that nature provides us with clean air and water? It's essential to protect our natural resources. According to the World Wildlife Fund, 1 in 6 species is at risk of extinction due to human activities. We need to take action now. Nature also has a positive impact on our mental health. Spending time in nature can reduce stress and improve our mood. So, let's appreciate and protect nature. We can all make a difference by reducing our carbon footprint and supporting conservation efforts.